Remember, we're working on how to extract contents from expired domain, which is legal, and you can use it in case you don't have much time to write, or you have passion for something that you don't know how to start writing. And remember, we extracted some content from should be a fashion or beauty blog. Let's work on it, see how we can install that. So we'll go back, you can click here, it will take you back to dashboard. You click here and it will take you this a dashboard. Okay, it's talking about page something. So this is my dashboard. Download the plugin now, which I'm going to use, and the port those file the post and article we downloaded earlier on. So let me search for the okay, see, add new. I'm adding a plugin, and the name of plugin should be H. So I'm going to add it from here. Upload. I will just click on upload plugin, then choose. Alright, okay, look at it here. That's this. So accept that, then click on install. Good. Then say installing this from this. Okay, and installing the plugin. Plugin is not successful, so I'll activate the plugin. Then when you activate the plugin, search for the HTML import tool and go to settings. Good. This is the directory where you're supposed to import file. Okay, so your file should be located here. Okay, so when you say files, so we're going to go in our cPanel and create this folder. Okay, so copy this name. I'll go to my cPanel. This is my cPanel. I scroll down to file manager. My file manager. So from what we see here, we are going to create it under public HTML. So this is my file manager. I look for this public HTML. I double click it. Good. So now I'm going to create a folder inside here. So how do I do that? Create a folder. Add new, right? Folder. Okay, thank you. So the name of the folder will be HTML to import. So create it. So it has created, and this is it. So we can open that. Good. So what the next thing we're going to do now is we'll go to the file we downloaded earlier on. We started from expired domain. Open here, open our website, and let's see. So let's zip these two folders. Yeah, we use WinZip to zip it. Same around. We'll add to 09. So this is it now. So let's try it again. Go back to here, then click here, click upload files, then take this guy, drop here, upload the file. Good, the file has uploaded. We'll close this. So then this guy, then let's see extracts. Good, as you can see, extract is now highlighted. So click on extracts. I'm going to extract it here, so I'm not creating any folder. So extract it here. So these are two. Then you can delete this. I can leave it. So you can delete this. Move. Say trash to trash. No. I'm moving this. Deleting it direct. So we now have two posts inside HT file to import. So we'll go back to here. That is right here. So let's see now whether I can import it. So it's save setting. So let's check the settings. Contents, HTML, use metadata, import document, import, use metadata, contents, import the entire file, linked image, import link document, use convert about format HTML. Yeah, please, we only want posts. Pause all of them as posts, and out again. Okay, again, uncategorize, and two. So come back here and say save.